These trees are very tall and one can hear bird chirping sound all around with pleasant atmosphere. These trees resembles like coniferous trees. I enjoyed a lot with my family and my cousins. There is my little cousin Advait, who is just 1.5 years old. I enjoyed playing with him. Here I even saw dates and palm trees. I love dates so much because they are full of iron content and also have vitamin C and fiber. With my excitement, I plucked the dates and was holding in my hands. Actually, they are yet to grow. Hope you all like this short video. See you in my next video.